CarJetcom review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. If you're looking to rent a car, most people get this wrong by assuming all online rental platforms offer the same deals. The surprising truth is that CarJetcom combines price comparison with booking convenience, helping you find the best rates across multiple rental companies, but pricing varies depending on location, car type, and rental duration. Daily rates start as low as for compact cars in smaller cities, while subs or premium vehicles can range from $2 per day. Long-term rentals often include discounts and optional add-ons like insurance, GPS, or child seats can add per day. What you get: access to multiple rental brands, transparent pricing, user reviews, and convenient online booking. What you give up: occasional service fees, the need to double-check rental policies, and extra costs for optional add-ons. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare prices for different rental companies in your city. Step 2. Check insurance coverage to avoid paying twice. Step 3. Consider fuel policies. Some cheaper rentals require full-to-full refueling. Step 4. Read the fine print for mileage limits or additional driver fees. You won't believe what happens next if you skip reviews. Some cheaper options may have poor customer service or hidden fees. The surprising truth is that CarJetcom's pricing reflects a combination of convenience, selection, and seasonal demand, not just the base car rate. In conclusion, CarJetcom offers a straightforward way to compare and book rental cars efficiently. By understanding daily rates, add-ons, and policies, you can secure the vehicle you need at the best price without surprises.